Namaste, and a warm welcome to the vibrant classroom that is India. Here, each day presents a fresh opportunity to learn and uncover new insights. A place where each morning is a new beginning, filled with the promise of a fruitful tomorrow. This is a land rich and diverse, with its vibrant cultural and historical treasures. India holds the heart of education and innovation. India is a land where academic institutes and ACE universities offer diverse courses, opening doors for endless possibilities. In this fastest growing economy, relationships are still a lifetime commitment. Every bond is special and unique. Every hand is a helping hand. Indian institutes believe in learning by doing, helping students gain practical education and have fun while learning the mechanisms of the world. From significant achievements to small victories, it is all celebrated with delicious cuisine and great company. Every day offers unique experiences here. Every day offers a building block to make your mark on the world. Say yes to the joy of learning. Say yes to an amazing future. Say yes to study in India.